How to fix Monopoly Go sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody. If you have this problem on your Monopoly Go, we're gonna fix it now. Let's do it. Go open the settings of your mobile phone. And right now, you have next to open the apps option, search for Monopoly Go and click on it. Scroll this list down, click storage option, click clear cache. Back after this, click force stop, click OK. Go to Play Store, update Monopoly Go, and restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.